Isn't that crazy?
That's crazy.
That's insane. I'm wondering.
What are you doing?
Shut up!
Here's a fork.
That was very close to my eye now.
It's your fork.
Why did you put the fork in the snapple? Why is the fork in the snapple?
I don't know!
Why did you put the fork in the snapple?
I don't know. All I want is my fork! Ow! Give me back my fork!
Put the fork in the snapple!
Ow! Give me my fork!
In the snapple.
After I just ate your head.
The lid isn't on.
What?
The lid isn't on.
Give me my fork.
But the fork is in the snapple. But the fork is in the snapple.
But the sniper is in my fork. Yes.
Your hands stink.
Fucking bitch.
No crap.
Grandma. My grandma sucks without me.
Why?
Because the fork is in the snapple.
What's that? A fork.
Give me
This.
my fork! Yes, you're fucking the snapper! You freak out on me like that. I would have it by now.
What's Tess eating?
Tess, you stupid animal. Tess. You dog.
Tess took my shoe.
Hey, you want your Starbucks?
I think Tess took the snapple.
You took my Starbucks.
Can't open your Starbucks.
I'll drink my Starbucks.
That was funny.
That was funny!
I think it's in the snapple.
Where's the snapple?
It's over there with Tess.
Give me my fork!
Tess is going to die.
She ate my fork!
Die.
Tess is going to die.
Tess is going to die like
Where'd
my
my
grandma.
fork go? I want my fork!
Why are you throwing the snapple?
Okay. Now you don't need to worry. I got the fork back.
It's okay. It's alright. Got it. Oh, my life is so stressful.
Without the fork, yes I know.
I just want to talk about my feelings.
It's demons.
Stupid.
Oh,
My bad.
let's talk about our feelings. That's what I wanted to talk about. I just told you I wanted to.
I don't have any feelings.
You're not listening to me. My feelings is that no one listens to me, ever.
I don't blame them.
You're really boring.
And
Give me a fork. Give me a fork.
no,
Give me a fork.
the fork helps to express a feeling.
No!
See the fork?
No.
I mean the fork.
I don't want to give you the fork. Give me the fork.
Give her the fork!
Take the fork!
I don't want the fork! I want the fork!
Give me the
Not the stuff! I snap a yay if you take my fork.
You know what I want to snap out?
Tess! Tess! Why are you crying?
I'm laughing.
Oh.
Because that was so funny, that thing that happened 5 minutes ago. Everyone laughed. You.
Yeah.
It's all your fault.
You.
You.
You. Why?
Your name's not a fork! Fork to do anything!
I'm gonna fork you.
You smell like
Don't touch my fork!
Okay, you can if I do it.
Yeah.
Do you ever crave hens?
Hens? I don't have any hens.
Your hands smell like crab.
Oh, hands!
You smell like crab.
They smell like your grandma.
Crab!
What was that about your grandma?
My grandma.
Crab!
Dear old gran. Dear old granny, gran.
Granny,
Gran. She was grandma.
Grandma, grandma, mama, grandma, grandma, mama, 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 grandma, mama,
Bring it down. Reach in the kitchen now, please. We both don't know how to do it. Go. We sit here and we sit. We don't know what to do, but we sit here and we sit here. We make some noise and we don't know what to do. We stand up from the table just like you. So make sure you make some noise before they go off feet and make a choice. Yo, grandma. My grandma. Don't forget about grandpa. We playing with the fire, we don't know what to do, but we keep playing till we make some noise and say grandma. Hey grandma. She makes a good food and we don't know what to do, but we eat until we die and we say hello to you. Say grandma.
My grandma.
It's better than yours. It's better than yours.
I could stuck without her.
It is true, yes it is. We sitting here, we say a girl, but we don't know what. I said grandma. Grandma.
Love,
Grandma.
love, 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 love,
Great grandma.
love, love, love,
Don't forget Snapple, this was the Snapple, but we keep on going.
Grandma,
My grandma, grandma, where are you, grandma?
grandma, praise the Lord, grandma, grandma, Grandma,
My grandma is better than your grandma.
Yeah, grandma.